we're discussing how my uncle is going to fill the bath. This bath. Which he has graciously installed for us. But there is no hot water. And a hose pipe has appeared. Let's go, mother.
Oh my god.
What's he doing?
He's going to connect it to the only hot tap we have in the house, which is in the master ensuite bathroom. And you're going to run hot water through a 50-metre garden hose pipe into
As
the
you
bath.
do. And this is going to work.
What do you mean is it going to work?
I said this is going to work. I'm giving you full faith.
They have little faith in me.
I'm sure you this is going to work. We have a waterfall tap. It's nice, isn't it? We're not filling it using this because that's cold. What?
No, he's attached the hose to the shower pipe. So he's taken the shower head off and he's put a brass connector between the shower pipe and the hose pipe. So we're going to be running the shower motor to make hot water. Of course, there is no hot water in the house. He's got to use the shower.
Which would help if the plug was in, you know,
Yeah.
just as a start.
That wouldn't go down well, would it? Do I need to go and hold on to the other end?
What's
The little camera.
that?
I'm recording your attempt. Did you see the way he ran? I know how to get you out of a room now. I'll show you guys when it's full, because it's going to take a while. The bath is now full. I'm going to show off its functions for my viewers. That's a light touch, isn't it? And very loud. And then that's the jacks. And then that changes where the bubbles are coming from, apparently. It smells a bit like a swimming pool. My uncle's gone and insulated the back of it, just a little bit, because yeah, the bubbles make an absolute racket. Like, it's so much quieter without them, isn't it? How cool is that though? Oh, it's just toasty. 45 degrees. It says on my little thing here. We've got the lights in. It's good. It's really good. These are colour changing lights as well. They do all sorts of things. We can have a bath.